So I'm talking and talking and talking, and somewhere in the distance, I know I should probably stop, but my brain, it's on a roll. Welcome to Info Dumping 101, the fine neurodivergent art of sharing everything I know. About one thing you maybe mentioned once. You said you like turtles? Cool, buckle up. You're getting a full documentary, unsolicited, unfiltered, unstoppable. I don't do small talk. I do deep dive or die, and when I'm excited, that's it. I'm not talking at you, I'm talking with you. Even if you haven't said anything in 5 minutes. Here's what's happening. My brain is lit up like a Christmas tree. Dopamine is flowing like champagne. I'm sharing something I care about. And somewhere in the back of my mind, I'm thinking, wait, are they bored? Am I oversharing? Why did their eyes just glaze over? Oh no, I've lost them. But I keep going because stopping feels worse, because pausing, awkward, because silence, rejection. So I talk and then spiral later. Cue the post-convo overthinking. Did I talk too much? Did they think I was weird? Do they hate me now? The struggle is real. Now let's flip it. Sometimes people say I talk too little, that I seem cold or distant, but they don't see the mental traffic jam, the thoughts lining up, crashing into each other, or the internal debate about whether it's okay to mention I have a rock collection. You want me to be brief? Cool. What's the script? Where's the rule book? Because I missed that memo in neurotypical school. Here's what helps. Signal check-ins. Ask, want me to keep going? Look for body language, but don't panic. It's not always accurate. Find safe listeners, people who get the passion, not just the words. Script exits. Things like, I'll stop rambling now, or you can totally stop me any time. And if you're on the receiving end of a neurodivergent info dump, don't shame it. Don't fake interest then ghost. Just say, that's cool. I need a pause, but I'd love to hear more later. Because for us, sharing isn't just talking, it's connecting. It's saying, this thing matters to me, and so do you. If you've ever walked away from a conversation and relived it like a crime scene for 3 days, this episode is your home base. Hit like, subscribe for more verbal adventures, and drop a comment with the weirdest topic you've ever accidentally monologued about. Mine, the history of shoelaces, unironically gripping